We guide you through how setting up your Stripe account quickly and efficiently. So, the first thing you need to do is to open stripe.com, clicking sign up, then entering your business email, full name, and creating a strong password, followed by verifying your email to activate your account. Next, you'll provide your business details, including type, address, and tax ID. Then add your bank account information for payouts, ensuring all fields are accurate to avoid delays. After that, complete your identity verification by uploading a government ID and any required documents. Then configure payment settings like accepted currencies and payment methods. Finally, test your account using Stripe's test mode to make sure everything works smoothly before going live. And remember to explore the dashboard to monitor transactions, manage disputes, and enable security features like two factor authentication so your Stripe account is fully ready for accepting payments and safely and efficiently.